So here's I opened a photo and also I opened my PNG logo. Now first of all, I'm going to adding my logo in this photo, and once the logo added, to resize logo, press Ctrl T to enable free transform, and now you can resize your logo just like so. Just click on this rectangular marquee tool and select your logo and press Ctrl X to cut your logo, and then click on filter, click on vanishing point, and here select this create plane tool, and I'm going to selecting my box just like so. And also selecting this bird just like so, and then press Ctrl V to paste your logo. And now just drag your logo and add the logo inside of this section, and again pasting my logo and clicking on this transform tool and resizing my logo, and again dragging the logo and adding my logo into this section, clicking on OK. And here, as you can see, my logo successfully added. And now right click on your logo layer and click on blending options, and blend mode, select here multiply, and just click on OK, and that's it.